everybody, I'm Al with NidusLabs, and today we are going to do an unboxing and overview of our debut product, the wall mount and POE kit for the 10th generation Amazon Fire HD 8 and 8 Plus. Now, all parts in this kit are available individually on our website, but chances are if you're looking for a complete mount and charging kit, then you'll be picking this kit up, which goes for about $200 at time of this video creation. So why the Amazon Fire HD 8? Well, for home automation enthusiasts, this is one of the most inexpensive tablet options out there. It's cheap, it gets the job done, and currently going for 90 bucks on Amazon, sometimes cheaper if they have a sale going on. Now, the downside is that this tablet doesn't get a lot of love from the industry. There are options for those who want a flush mount for the iPad, but the same doesn't really exist for this tablet. There are plenty of 3D print options, but for those who want a more premium option with simple charging solutions, then NidusLabs has what you need. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what we got. Well, let's get to the meat of this thing. In every kit, you will have your flush mount and mount template. The template is pretty straightforward. This will help you with positioning your wall mount and tracing your cutout. And here we have the recessed wall mount. Now, this is not 3D printed, it's actually made using injection molding. So what it's going to leave us with is a higher quality construction with a nice, smooth, glossy finish. Looking at the sides here, we have cutouts for the volume, power, and the USB-C port. And on the back, we have drill holes for mounting to your wall stud. Let me show you what this looks like with the tablet inside. Now, thanks to injection molding, you can expect a perfect fit every time. Now, this mount will give off a much more premium look and feel than a 3D printed mount that you screw to the surface of the wall. Other products that you get with this kit, and also very important, are power solutions. So let's start with the POE to USB-C adapter. For those of you who have a POE switch or injector with cable runs through your walls, this is what allows for simple and a cable-free look for your tablet. On the input side here, we have POE input. And on the output side, you have both Ethernet and USB-C. Now, USB-C is for power only. Ethernet is data only. The USB-C port is the only thing that you'll be using to power your Amazon Fire HD tablet. One thing that we folks need to note is that on the Amazon Fire HD, Amazon restricts Ethernet on the Fire tablet. So this solution will only get you power to the tablet, not data. And unfortunately, there's very little we can do about that until Amazon changes their mind. So what this means is your tablet will remain connected to Wi-Fi. This is only providing power to the tablet. Up next, we have the USB-C cable. Now, this cable is about 8 inches long. It has a flat end on one side with a right angle on the other end. The flat end goes on the output side of the POE adapter, and the right angle side goes into the mount. All right, so let's plug this up and see how that looks. We have our POE coming into the input side. You'll see an amber light up on that side. And now we'll plug in the USB-C cable into the tablet. And there you have it. Very nice, simple powering solution for your Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus. For those of you who are wondering, Al, do we have any options for people who don't have Ethernet wiring in their home, who don't have a POE switch or POE injector? Yes, you can also pick up a couple options on our website. What we have here for you is a wall POE injector. We also have Ethernet cables for sale on our website, along with single gang wall boxes and recessed cable wall plates. So we can give you this option here for those who don't have Ethernet wiring in their walls, who don't have a POE switch or injector. But if you do have an outlet a couple feet below the installation point, then this is the perfect solution for you. Let's not forget the kit comes with screws for mounting this to a wall stud. And last but not least, your removal tool. This is a suction grabber that you can use if you ever want to pull your tablet out of the mount. And doing so is pretty straightforward. You just stick on the opposite end of the USB-C cable. So always take note of where you plug in the cable. And then just gently pull the tablet out. And there you have it. So that's pretty much it. This is everything that comes in your mount and POE kit. We have other accessories on the website. Feel free to check us out at NidusLabs.io. For any news of upcoming products, feel free to sign up at our newsletter or follow us on social media on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks.